Hi everyone, welcome to Tamela and Taylor's Treat Talk Tuesday, where we share about treats, business, and life every Tuesday on YouTube. Hi, I'm Tamela, co-host of 5T, and I am going solo today to show you how to make a spring wreath. So let's start out with the Tuscany Horizon Hello Wreath. I started out with a grapevine wreath. It's 18 inches. And you'll see here I'm using my wire cutters to cut the leaves. Actually, it's a ficus branch from the stem. I want you to know also that it only takes what's in your hand to create something spectacular. If you want a step-by-step guide for how I created this wreath, please write me or type me in the comments, or better yet, hit the number 5. That will tell me that you would like a step-by-step guide, or if you want a class. As you've been seeing, here are some of the items that I've been using, such as lemons, a pop of color with the purple, some white flowers, and I'm just showing you here how I really just clean up this grapevine wreath. So all these little scraggly pieces just won't get into the way of the actual design of the wreath. So you might have to do a little bit of that, just depending on what condition it is in and what is available, right? At the stores. So normally I go to a lot of different places. Joanne Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, Michaels. Some things I get off Marketplace. So believe it or not, you can find some pretty good bargains on Marketplace when you can find them, such as ribbon and flowers and things just people just don't have a use for and is in great condition. So as you see, this is an 18-inch wreath. And those lemon bushes you'll see in a second here, when you're creating and looking for something to add to your wreath, bushes, stems, and some sprays, they all mean something different. And as you see here, I'm using a piece of wire to adhere this spray to the grapevine wreath. And here I am showing you a different way. You can use zip ties. Zip ties are perfect to use for these type of creations and designs. And just be sure to snip off those ends. Don't snip it off. I had to reattach this one because I snipped it off a little too short. So therefore, I had to reattach it. But nonetheless, you can do it that way. Be sure to fluff. You probably really can't see it in this area here, but fluff your bushes. Make sure you get all the fullness that spray or the bush has. I've added those ficus pieces just to give it that fullness that I wanted. Also, you'll see here, I'll be adding those flowers and the purple flowers, and I'll be adding more greenery. The greenery has little yellow buds on it and stuff like that. I'm adding a yellow tulip. And if you will notice that part of that grapevine wreath is exposed, I like a little bit of earthiness to my wreaths. Here is the yellow hello sign, and that I purchased from, I believe, our friends over at Amazon. Don't forget to add the bow. This is a 4-inch gross gain row, ribbon that is a striped black and white, and I just did a 2-loop bow, and that's also wired. I like wired ribbon as opposed to non-wired. It's just easier to work with. And as you see here, I'm just adding some accents here and there, so to get that fullness and that luxury look. I love creating wreaths. I really, really do. It gives me peace. It gives me joy. I'm able to express my creativity. I'm able to make something with my two hands. I know that you are creative too. So this is another expression that I have. This is actually my first love. I love making wreaths. Yes, I love my torlitas, but I made wreaths first. Here I am securing the wreath to the grapevine, and voila, here's the finished product.